Hi, this is James for Humax, and here is everything you need to know about the new MX7 home charger. So let's take a closer look at the MX7 unit. When we look at the build quality, the materials, this is a really design-focused piece of technology. It's minimalistic with a really premium feel. I love the two-tone finish on the unit here. What we've also got are swappable front panels. So this can be removed like so, and you can attach an alternative fascia. Maybe you want to match the look, the design or feel of your home. What really stands out though is this is V2G, that's vehicle to grid ready, and it comes packed with a number of class-leading features. The MX7 is V2G ready. Imagine your electric car's battery is like a big portable power bank. Normally, you plug it in to charge it up. With V2G, that process goes both ways, also known as bi-directional charging, where you can not only charge your car, but you can also send electricity back from your car into the grid when there's high demand or when your home needs a boost. It's the future of EV charging and smart energy management, and it's going to save you a lot of money. The other standout feature is the intelligent charging. Think of your charger as a really clever personal assistant for your car's battery. Thanks to a bit of smart tech inside, namely a PLC module and what's known as the ISO 15118 communication protocol. But what does that mean? What that allows you to do is set customizable charging rules. For example, you can prioritize a quick top-up before you leave, or charge when electricity is cheapest overnight. It's also solar compatible, so you can make the most of your solar panels and charge your car with clean, free energy. But the best part is, it automatically sends any excess solar power to your car once your home is sorted. It's a smart bit of kit that fits right in with your whole energy-independent ecosystem. Safety has been a core focus in the design of this charger. We've ensured that every key safety aspect has been carefully considered and built in, so you can charge with complete peace of mind. The MX7 has a temperature sensor that cleverly monitors heat levels and automatically pauses charging when needed, keeping everything running efficiently and protecting your equipment. It's got overcharge protection, which takes great care of your car's battery by ensuring it only gets the charge it needs. This helps to preserve battery health and performance over time. The MX7 has a tamper-proof switch, which is perfect for outdoor setups. This smart feature makes sure only authorized users can access the charger, giving you added confidence and control. Let's compare the MX7 with existing technology. Products like this will only charge the car, one-directional, with no interaction with your home or the grid. The latest technology within the future-ready MX7 delivers two-way energy flow, or V2G, has enhanced safety features and a brand new app. It integrates seamlessly with solar and smart home systems, has a sleek design with customizable looks, and a more powerful app. This gives you better control, allowing you to have advanced scheduling and tariffs that translate into more energy savings and better charging management. Installing the new Humax MX7 is pretty straightforward, but it's best left to a qualified installer. We at Humax offer a network of professional installers, or any local charge point installer can fit it easily. There's a stand mount option for awkward spots, so you can put this almost anywhere. You can also choose between two versions, a socket model if you have your own cable, or a tethered one. The tethered version comes with a 5-meter cable, usually more than enough. Or if you need extra reach, a 7.5-meter version is also available. So the new MX7 comes with the all-new feature-packed Humax Smart App. Smarter, slicker, and it gives you way more control over how and when you charge. One of the best bits, it brings everything together. Solar, the grid, and your car into one easy-to-manage system. With no fiddly setups, it's really simple. The app is clever too. It can recognise your car automatically, check the battery level, and give it just the right amount of charge, so you're not wasting energy or overdoing it. You've got a few ways to start charging too. An RFID card, just tap it. Or plug and charge, literally just plug in and off you go. All of this can be managed via the app. You also get all the stats, from the battery percentage, ready by times, tariff info, and more. And the best part, it updates itself over the air, so you always get the latest features. No cables, no stress, no effort. Welcome to the Humax Help Desk. How can I help?
Oh, hi James. I'm thinking of buying the Humax MX7, but I still have a few questions. Do you mind answering those for me?
Sure, fire away.
What's the warranty like?
So the products come with a 5-year standard warranty, and we've also got a brilliant dedicated customer support centre where the team can help you anytime.
Is it weatherproof?
Yes, it is. It's IP65 rated, which means it's completely dust tight and it's protected against low pressure water jets. It's also got a really tough, durable body that's made with really high quality materials, which can handle the British weather under any circumstances.
Is the software upgradable?
Yes, absolutely it is. So we provide over-the-air updates, which means you get the latest features, improved security, without having to lift a finger.
Does it need any extra installation kit?
No, it doesn't. So it comes with the mounting bracket, all the necessary screws and wiring. Plus, we've got a brilliant nationwide network of professional installers. They handle everything from the site survey to installation and commissioning as well.
How do I know if this charger is compatible with my car?
So it's compatible with all EVs, electric vehicles in the UK, plus plug-in hybrid electric vehicles or PHEVs as well.
Can I still use it if my car doesn't support V2G yet?
Yes, absolutely you can. So you can still use it as an upgrade to your current charger, so you can take advantage of features like solar charging, smart scheduling, and more.
Will it work with my energy tariff?
So we're currently working with leading tariff providers, and the product is undergoing testing with various plans, but announcements are coming soon, so watch this space.
Is it solar compatible?
Yes, it is. So it supports solar priority charging and dynamic load balancing, so perfect for making the most of your solar setup.
Thanks, James, that's great.
Thanks for your questions. Remember, we are always here to help, so if there's something you'd like to know, get in touch. You can click the link below or send us a message. Email us hello@humaxcharging.com. My favourite part personally has to be the V2G support. With energy prices fluctuating, being able to charge off-peak and sell energy back just makes so much sense. Plus, this looks really smart on the wall. The MX7 from Humax, the next generation of EV charging.